In this video, we are continuing with circles. In the given figure, I is the in center of triangle ABC. Now, I is the center of triangle, in center of triangle ABC. Here, AI produced meets the circumcircle of triangle ABC at D. So, if we produce this AI, it meets the circumcircle at D. What do we mean by circumcircle? So, since we have this triangle ABC, all its endpoints are lying on the circumference of the circle. That's why it's called the circumcircle. So, he's saying that angle ABD, angle ABC, he has given us 55 degree, and angle ACB is 65 degrees. He wants us to calculate angle BCD. BCD, that means this angle, let this be X, and angle CBD. CBD, this angle, let it be Y. And then he wants us to calculate angle DCI. That means we have to join this. So if we join this part becomes angle DCI, and then angle BIC. That means we have to join this. So this becomes our BIC. Now, how will we do it? If we take this triangle ABC, right, we can calculate this angle. How? 55 plus 65 plus this angle equal to 180. So we can get angle BAC as 180 minus 55 plus 65, 10, 120. So we got angle BAC as 60, right? So this angle is 60. So if this angle is 60, we can say that angle BIC is 120. Why? Because arc BC subtends angle BIC at the center and it subtends angle BAC at the circumference. So if this is 60, this will be 120. Fine. Now we got this as 120. So what we can do is we can find these two angles. Why? Because IB and IC are the radii of the same circle. We can name this angle as Z. Then this will also be, this portion will also be Z. We will be in a position to calculate this angle Z. Fine. Once we calculate this angle Z, we will calculate it with this X in order to get this entire angle Z plus X. Fine. Now the point is, before that we need this X. How do we get this X? Now if you look at this triangle and this angle, this is angle in the semicircle, this is 90. So X will be, this entire angle is 90. So X will be 90 minus 65. So we got X as 25. Here we have to calculate this angle also. This entire angle is 90, but this portion is 55. So 90 minus 55. So we got Y as 35. Fine. So we have calculated X. What is our X? Our X is BCD. So our angle BCD is 25. We have calculated Y. What is our Y? CBD. What is that? 35. Then we have to calculate BIC. BIC, which we have already calculated as double of this 120. Fine. After that, we have to calculate angle DCI. So angle DCI is equal to this portion Z plus this portion X. Z plus X. Right? So here our X is 25. Now we need to calculate this Z. So if this is 120, this will be 30 and 30. So 30 plus 25. So my DCI will be 30 plus X is 25. So I have calculated my DCI as 55. Right? This is how you should plan your solution before actually writing the question. So let's write it now. So how do I write this? I will write in triangle ABC 55 plus 65 plus angle BAC, which is this angle, equals to 180. 55 plus 65 is 120 plus angle BAC equals 180. So that gives me angle BAC as 180 minus 120, which is 60. Right? I got angle BAC. So does that mean angle BIC will be 120? Why? Because arc BC subtends angle BIC at the center and angle BAC at the circumference, and I know the theorem for that, right? So I got this angle now. Now what I will do is I will write in triangle BIC. I have named this angle as Z. Z plus Z plus 120 is equal to 180. So 2Z equal to 60, or you can say your Z is equal to 30. I got Z as 30, right? I'll keep this Z because I need the value of this. Now, he wants me to calculate angle BCD, which is my X. So can I say that angle ACD is equal to 90 degree? ACD is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because it's the angle in the semicircle. So that gives my X as 90 minus 65, which is equal to 25. But your X is actually angle BCD equal to 25. So you have found angle BCD as 25. Similarly, we can calculate, you can also write angle ABD is equal to 90 degree. Same reason, angle in a semicircle. Therefore, angle Y is equal to 90 minus this 55, which is equal to 35. Or angle Y is your CBD is equal to how much? 35, right? You got your CBD. You also got your BCD. You got your BIC also, right? Now DCI. How do we calculate DCI? We said that we need to calculate this Z and then this X. So does that mean my DCI is X plus Z? I have the value for X. I also have the value for Z, that is 30. And I have the value for X, that's 25. So I will write, since angle DCI is equal to X plus Z, so angle DCI is equal to X was my 25 and Z was my 30. So angle DCI is equal to 55 degrees.